Hello, this is Julie Miller from Howard Village City. It is Saturday, August 8th, 2020, and let me take a look at your how to unboxing the EC Tracer from 2006. And they brought us on Bi-Mart, and which is, we got just, have to see it, we got a situation from the Howard Village Mall, because you find out you get this things on your website at NicoleCrafts.com. Each thing, just like learn the steps. And there's a barcode on right here. Let's have a look at it. So here's a box, so you can see it says quickly and easily enlarge and trace your project. So here's the left side. Here's the right side. There's the left side. Look on the back. I mean, you're on the front. So this thing have to show you is that obviously you have to use for the movies. So that's nice. Let's go open it up. Move that over there. Alright, so there is the movie projector. Let's have a look like this. Here's the okay. So here's the instructions, so you can see. Sleep, you better look at that. Some very looks are very similar to the Bi-Mart version. That's nice. We actually have a little hologram in the center of the box, so you should see it. Just getting one's got the model number PRJ100. Yeah. Move that right there. There's the top and the bottom. Alright. So I wish I'd have to make sure for this thing. I wish I'd have to see it. I have to do it for now. We'll see if I have to see it anyway. Yes. So for example, I got your plugger right here. You ever got to see here? Let's see how it works. So this is impossible. Hold on, I'm gonna do that point. Where's this thing? Ah. That's great. Okay. So for this sample thing, I usually got the instruction book, and this thing, what's on it? So let me put this on right here. I have to see it. I have to turn it on. Well, you look at that. That's insane. So you got these lights right here, and get these information. You see, so there's a whole project. So here's the lights on it. Comes what always says I have to see it that way. Performance obviously is. So here is the back. So this didn't have to see something possible. And the top and this. This kind of looks like a G major screen on here. It's just always says to be a possible person. And it always says, sure that it does. The easiest way to see it, and you don't have to see how it's available for this thing. It's the special presentation for this process. So I'll go ahead and turn it off now. That's good. Okay. So here is the bottom. And it's kind of like a light bulb right here. It is always just used for lampshades on here. And what we should have to see is that all I have to see, I have to worry about that. It takes a few seconds. Yeah. And I also include the step-by-step screen. We got our latest 4 steps in a row, just like that. Which is step 2. Turn on the light. And this talks about how easy Tracer is. Ray brought us some purchase on Bi-Mart at the Haver Holiday Village Mall since 2006. Oh shit! Who's gonna have to see it that way? Okay, so this thing have to do like that because we just only have to make sure for this thing, and that was crazy. Sometimes I just have to make sure for this thing. I didn't know I had to see it because he was a responsible person, which would obviously have to concluding, and which would always have to make sure for this thing. Use like a presentation on here, and I always just have to do it right now. So, wait. So here's the thing. Here's this movies with this stuff, and then yeah. Okay, let me go ahead and unplug this stuff. Hold on. Got it. Here's a plug right here. Okay. Let's talk about more about this Easy Tracer. And Richard always says you have to see it as you use some information. Now you have to scan. So I have to display your keyboard and mouse. This always says do it or make me dead. So this always says, which is a USB number 1. It's about the scanner connector. Every single USB device. Okay. So anything in a USB device would have this type of connector. And what would you see here is that how would you get the new features? All kinds of stuff. That's right. For example, issue has to say it's not a key or a mouse pad. Every always have to do it like that. Yeah, buddy. And we'll just have to throw in the garbage right here. All it takes of high quality pictures, but we'll do it after we go to garbage. So, and here's the plastic thing. Oh, we'll just have to see it very carefully. Oh, and we also got this thing here. It's like a baby tiniest cup. I'm sure it can drink. This is what it looked like. Okay. Okay. Put that away. And that is pretty much it for this Easy Tracer unboxing. There's very not much on the indies. Later, I have to see it that way. I'll be here to make some more videos today. Every should have new groups. Every Friday on the blog at haverhollyvillercity.blogspot.com. So for next time, this is doing my sign off on Saturday, August 8th, 2020. Alright.